Hello and welcome student. This is the video of third part of nutrition in animals. In the last video we have discussed about the nutrition in humans. There were digestive system that was consist of 7 organs: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Today we will discuss about these organs one by one in detail. So first is mouth. Mouth is the place where the food enters the alimentary canal. The main function of the mouth is to chew food before it is sent to the esophagus. The process of chewing the food is called mastication. The salivary glands secrete saliva into the mouth. The saliva contains digestive juices that digest carbohydrates, and it also moistens the food, making it easier to swallow. Thus, the process of digestion begins in the mouth. In the mouth, teeth are present that plays an important role in the food digestion. First, you can see here I have taken diagram of lower jaw. There are two jaws, lower jaw and upper jaw. So you can see this is a diagram of lower jaw. This jaw having 16 teeth. We know that there are 32 teeth in our mouth. So see here, these front teeth, these 4 front teeth are known as incisors. They are used to cutting and biting the food. Next one, both sides, it is canine. It is pointed and it is used to tearing the food. After it, there are 2 premolars. So you can see they are flattened. They are used to chew the food. And they are 4 in numbers, 2 here and 2 this side. After premolars, here you can see there are 3 molars in each side. 3 this side, left and this left and right. So there are 6 molars. They are also flattened, but they are larger than premolars and they are also used to grind the food. Premolars and molars both are used to grind the food. So teeth plays an important role to break down into smaller pieces food. Here you can see the diagram of types of teeth in humans. There are 4 types: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. There are 2 types of teeth are found in humans. First is milk teeth and second is permanent teeth. When a child about 5 years, when child becomes about 6 months, milk teeth appears and up to 5 years it will remain. After 5 years, the roots of the milk teeth gradually loosen and the teeth start falling off one by one, and they are replaced by larger permanent teeth, and they are in 32 in numbers in each jaw. But in childhood, milk teeth remain 20. Here you can see this is the diagram of teeth. This part, that is you can see easily in mouth. This is white in color. It is known as crown, and this is a root that remains inside the gums. The teeth are coated with enamel. It is the hardest substance in the body. Beneath enamel is the dentine, which is softer, and the innermost portion of the tooth is called pulp. The pulp contains blood vessels and nerves. In the mouth there is tongue is also present. You can see the diagram of tongue here. First you can see this, the outermost part of the tongue. It is used to, there are the buds that help us to know about the taste of sweet, and this part salty, and this is sour, and last part is bitter. There are many taste buds are present that help us to know the taste of the food. The tongue is a muscular organ that help us mix food with saliva. It also help us roll the chewed food into a ball, or it is known as bolus, which is pushed towards the back of the mouth where it is swallowed. Next organ of the alimentary canal is esophagus. You can see the diagram of esophagus. We know esophagus is also known as food pipe. When the food is swallowed, a flap structure called epiglottis prevents the food from entering the windpipe, because in our neck there are two types of pipes, windpipe and food pipe. So epiglottis prevent the food enter into the windpipe. It is the diagram of esophagus. Now see, this is the bolus. This is the food that is totally covered by the, totally mixed with the saliva, and it is easy to travel in this esophagus. The swallowed food travels to the stomach because a wave-like motion in the walls of the esophagus called peristalsis. In the next video, we will discuss about the other organs of the alimentary canal. Till then, bye bye.